There are some things happening in our lives all the time, and they seem to be big obstacles, just like this one. Seems like a tough one, but if we can manage to make them more friendly, like this, they might even help us. In this workshop, we will show you how you can learn by solving your problems and turn your obstacles into your friends. The title of the workshop is Taming Wild Obstacles. Redirect your energy. To attend this workshop, join our PLT free community, and you will gain access to all our events. This workshop will be on August 29 at 14:30 UTC, which is 10:30 for me here in New York. I'm looking forward to seeing you there at that time.